This course describes the many different perspectives of decision-making. Let's start by examining the nature of decision-making and distinguishing it from problem-solving. Decision-making is choosing one alternative from among several. Problem-solving, on the other hand, involves finding the answer to a question. Note that some situations, decision-making and problem-solving start out alike but may lead down different paths. This figure shows the basic elements of decision-making. A decision-maker's actions are guided by a goal. Each of several alternative choices of action is linked with various outcomes. Information is available on the alternatives, on the likelihood that each outcome will occur, and the value of each outcome relative to the goal. The decision-maker chooses one alternative on the basis of his or her evaluation of the information. Decisions made in organizations can be classified according to the frequency and to the information conditions. In a decision-making context, frequency is how often a particular decision situation reoccurs, and information conditions describe how much information is available about the likelihood of various outcomes. The frequency of reoccurrence determines whether a decision is programmed or non-programmed. A programmed decision recurs often enough for decision rules to be developed. A decision rule tells decision makers which alternative to choose once they have a predetermined amount of information about the situation. The appropriate decision rule is used whenever the same situation is encountered. Programmed decisions usually are highly structured. When a problem or decision situation has not been encountered before, however, a decision maker cannot rely on previously established decision rules. Such a decision is called a non-programmed decision, and it requires problem solving. Problem solving is a special form of decision making in which the issue is unique. It often requires developing and evaluating alternatives without the aid of decision rules. Non-programmed decisions are poorly structured because information is ambiguous, and there's no clear procedure for making the decision, and the goals are often vague. Non-programmed decisions are required when an unusual or complex situation arises that requires problem solving and judgment.